Hello guys, let's solve this question together. We have x to the power of 8 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 130. And we're asked to find the value of x in this equation, all right? Okay, let's go. So 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2, and that is 2 to the power of 3. 1, 2, 3. That's how you have 2 to the power of 3. So now let's write 8 as 2 to the power of 3 x plus 2x is equal to 130. So now we can also let's write it as 2 to the power of x 3. Because when you have something like a to the power of m raised to power n is the same thing as a to the power of n raised to power m. These two powers multiply and they'll still be the same thing. All right. So here becomes 2 to the power of x or squared. I mean close bracket 3 plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 130. Now, let's say that 2 to the power of x is equal to y. That means you have y to the power of 3 plus y is equal to 130. Okay, this is y cubed. Now, let's fix a number to see if we can get 130. So let's start with, if you start with 2, 2 squared is good, 2 cubed is going to give us 8, so that would not work. If you start with 3, 3 cubed will give us 27 plus another 3 would not give us 130. So let's start with 4, which is a bigger number. So let's say 4 to the power of 3 plus 4 is it equal to 130? This is 4 times 4 times 4, that's 16 times 4, that's 64 plus 4. No, it can't give us 130. So this is wrong. So let's try 5. So we have 5 to the power of 3 plus 5 is it equal to 130? 5 times 5 times 5 is going to give us 125. Yes, plus 5. And that is what? Equal to 130. All right. So we are going to make use of y is equal to 5. So now if we say that y is equal to 5, so that means that what? This is equal to 2 to the power of x. We said here that let 2 to the power of x be equal to y, and we've gotten our y to be 5. So it means that 5 is equal to 2 to the power of x. And don't forget, we're trying to find the value of x in this equation. Okay. Now, we can do what? Take log of both sides. Take log of both sides. Okay. So have log 5 is equal to log 2 to the power of x. Now, when you have log a to the power of x, the same thing as x log a. All right. So here we have log 5 is equal to x log 2. So let's divide both sides. We're looking for the value of x. We're going to divide both sides by log 2. So divide both sides by log 2. So this will be log 5 all over log 2 is equal to x log 2 all over log 2. Log 2 cancel log 2. So x is equal to log 5 all over log 2. Now, if you are doing a change of base, x is equal to log 5 over log 2. If you're doing a change of base here, let's say we have log a over log b, it's still the same thing as log. That's when you want to change the base. Same thing as log a base b. So the denominator becomes the base of the logarithm. So let's do that for here. So x is now what? Log 5 base 2. All right. This is our final value of x. Now let's verify. Our initial question is what? A to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 130. Okay. Now our x is this. So we have 8 to the power of log 5 base 2 plus 2 log 5 base 2 is equal to 130. Now let's rewrite this. We write it as what? 2 to the power of 3 log 5 base 2 plus 2 to the power 2 whole no 2 to the power of log 5 base 2 is it equal to 130. Okay, now you see that you have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 log 5 base 2. Now when you have this and this the same, they can cancel, so this comes up here as 2 as a power. So we now have 5 to the power of 3 plus, same thing applies, this cancel this, here we have what? 5. Is it equal to 130? This is 125 plus 5, which is 130 is equal to 130. So therefore, our left hand side is the same thing as our right hand side. The value of our x log 5 base 2 is the answer is correct. Bye bye.